Hello, and today we'll be checking the order history communication plugin for the Magento 2 platform-based web stores. So basically, you can see that I'm at the web store front end and logged into my customer account, and I'm under the My Orders section on a particular order. I've opened this particular order here, the order number 4, as you can see. And initially, we have the items ordered section only, but after the installation of this particular plugin, you'll have this communication history as well. Now, whenever an order has been placed by the customer, after that the customer can communicate for that particular order that the customer has placed. He can ask the question to the admin. He can attach the attachments like image, be it zip files, depending upon the files allowed by the admin from the backend panel, and can submit the same, and in response to that the customer will get the replies from the admin backend panel. So here's the same order number 04 opened by the admin, and under the communication history for this particular order you can see the same details here as well. Now you can also see that from here the admin can enter the reply for the customer, can attach the files or the images as well, can choose to notify the customer by email when marking a submission on a comment that has been already made by the customer, can tap here on the submit button to submit the same. So here you can see that the last one is from the customer, that's the zip one, and the reply has been made by the admin. It's a customer, it's admin, need converse, and the same is visible here, the hello one, the zip file along with the need converse. So for example, if I enter test help, and if I choose a file as well, let me choose a file, let me choose one image. So now I'll just select one image and I'll just open that up, and let's tap here on the submit button. And here you can see that the auto communication has been saved, and here's the text help, and the image that we've uploaded. Now let's go back to the admin backend panel. So basically the admin can navigate through stores and then orders, and then for that particular order the admin can tap on the view link under the actions column. So we're going for the order number 4 here, and then we'll navigate to communication history under the admin panel, and here we can see test help along with the image, and has been edited by the customer along with the take 10 times stamp as well. And this is the other message from the or the comment from the customer for the particular order that has been sent to the store admin there. So that's how this particular plugin, that's the Magento 2 order history communication plugin works. Apart from that, as the customer can attach the files, the same is for the admin as well. For example, yes, sure. This is just a text message here. I'll be sending to back to the customer, and I'll be choosing one file, and let's use this one. And we can also notify the customer for the comment that we're going to make there on his email address, and then we'll just tap here in the submit. Okay, I just need to remove that off, and now let's tap here in the submit button. Now this particular comment for the order here would now be visible to the admin here. So if we go to the communication history for the order number 4, and if we scroll down here, you can see we have yes sure and the same message by admin. Now let's go to the customer end, and let's refresh this page. After 7:23 p.m. we have yes sure and the image. So that's the thing from the admin itself. So that's how easily the customers can create up the communication history for the orders that they have placed, and they can directly chat with the store admin from here. They can share the details, can add attachments. Now let me take you to the backend panel. Let me show you how we can enable this particular functionality. So for that you just need to log into your admin backend panel, then navigate to stores and then configuration. On the configuration page under the Webkul block here on the left hand side, we have order history communication. Here we have two different options. One is the general options and the email settings. Now under the general options you can enable or disable this particular functionality by choosing a yes or a no as required. You can also set up the allowed file extensions that can be used by the customers from the front end so as to attach or choose their files. Now whichever ones that you've entered here, separated by commas that would be available for the customers at the storefront. So you can allow zip, jpg, png, gif, pdf, whatever file name you want to allow. You just need to enter that file name here. Then we have the email settings. So here we have the option to choose the template for the email that is sent out to the customer. So this particular template is sent out whenever basically what we say as, so basically this particular email to customer template is used up so as to get the what we say as the mails on replies or the raised comments, and same goes for the email to admin template. And basically you'll have to determine the email to the admin template to get on the comment submission. So whenever the comment submission has been done, then the admin would be receiving the email, and the particular template that you have, you'll have to choose as the communication admin email default. And for the email to the customer template, you will have to choose the communication email default template there. And lastly, you just need to tap here in the save button to save the initial configuration settings for this particular plugin. So that was much about the order history communication plugin for the Magento 2 platform-based web stores, and I hope it helped you out in understanding the flow of this particular plugin. If you still have any questions, queries, suggestions, or requirements, then kindly reach back to us at support@webkul.com, or you may raise a ticket at webkul.uvs.com. Thanks for watching this particular video, and have a great day ahead.